So we got a call in the Westchester area. Our client is dealing with multiple points of water entry. Let's go inside so I can explain the project to you. What we're finding is that from the exterior side, outside we have stucco that meets vinyl siding in this corner, and then in that opposite corner over there, you can actually see it's still damp. So this area right here is where water has been coming in behind the vinyl siding. We actually just uncovered a few additional issues. So as you can see, that base plate right there is extremely discolored. And kind of what that means is it's been taking on water for a very long time. You could just see that it's soaked. We have rotted out subflooring system. So this is a king stud here, and you can see when I press on that, it's bouncing, and you definitely don't want that. Look at that, it's all rotted. Let's see what caused all of this, right? Because when we perform our inspections, our clients may not think that these little areas are that important. Now you can see water has been entering right here under this void, under the door. That's why we have that disrepair on that side. So where we have that major water incursion, if you look right back here, you'll see that material transition seam that I was referring to. From the top, you'll be able to see open lumber, but that downstairs view, kind of looking up and seeing why all of this is happening, why that subfloor is becoming compromised, you get a better picture of the understanding of how the exterior fails first, then allows hidden water intrusion to continue to enter behind the wall until it gets to a point of structural disrepair like we have here. This right here can allow about 1.5 gallons of water to enter when it's getting in behind your capping, going in behind the door system. Now zoom in on this. You see how this bead is clear? It looks like it's sealed, but when you get close, you can actually see it's not even touching. So water is literally just getting in behind this capping. That's why we're having such an issue with the water incursion at the floor below. Now, one of the things that even professionals miss, if water hits this, it's going to run back naturally, right? That's what water wants to do. We have a deck board and we have a piece of capping. Still a material transition seam. Think water can get under there? Look at all that debris. Look at all that sediment. That means that water is washing this dirt under there, and there's so much water washing debris through that some of it gets caught because it's bigger. The water is allowed to escape, but the debris doesn't. If you look straight up this profile where it hits that top corner, you can actually see that corner sticks out a bit more than the overhang of the roof. That is bad because anytime water enters there, it's going to come right down this corner. And usually you're looking on the level of the issue to kind of find out, hey, what's happening? That's one of those things that can be a very hard to find leak. It could be going on for years, and you never looked all the way up to see that the corner bead sticks out farther from the roof. So anytime water runs off that roof, where is it going to go? Right into that corner.